Hi, baby birdies. Can't get the other one. I'm too short. You're not eating the birdies. No. No, ducky. Buff. Buff. Safety. Hi. Yeah. I know, huh? Did you bring your bunny outside? Bad Lulu. That was your only clean toy. The dog's playroom. Huh, Ducky? You like to play out here, huh? Ducky, 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 ducky. Ducky, ducky. Ducky! Travis has his bike. Mine's in the shed because it needs to be worked on. And Lulu. Uh-oh. And the golf course. Stuff. The tree. And direct TV. Got Christmas lights still on because we don't get in trouble for having them back here. And they go all the way down the tree, which is really cool when they're plugged in. Ducky, watch. Watch. Hi. We got a clothesline. I wonder if there's any bunnies. Nope. Back here, the bird poop. And nope. Yeah. Oh well. I got dogs. And birds. You just had a bath and you lay in the dirt. You're mean. Got a new board for chores and stupid stuff. Over dinner. Charles going for work. Hey, say hi to my mom.
Hi.
I'm half asleep.
I'm trying to get ready for work.
You like your oatmeal? Oh, there's flavored coffee for you. Do you want some? It's fine, screw you then, more for me. A bunny sitting on its head because I didn't eat it. My oatmeal. Oh, cool chair. Yay.
And it made flashback.
Oh, yeah, like that. Ow, motherfucker.
Kicks the gun out of his hand and knocks him out, grabs the girl and runs, just like he did.
Oh.
And now they're after him. They're trying to bring him back.
Dean, not as good as the other game, but these are cool. See?
We're trying to repair all the other souls to say they caught the fire. Because they're trying to fly. He killed everybody. He killed a bunch of the doctors.
I got this. Because Travis loves me. And now I made Lulu and Ducky.